Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. My dear children, this is my garden. Do you know what is the meaning of a garden? A garden is a place where you grow different kinds of plants and flowers. Come, dear children, I will show you my small garden. Dear children, as you can see that in this garden there are plants of different kinds, isn't it, my dear children? See, this is a plant, isn't it? That's another one. And see, this is a red flower and that's a pink color flower. So my dear children, today is Sunday and I'm spending some time in my garden. Dear children, it's a little hot and sunny, so I am wearing my sun hat. What is this, my dear children? This is a sun hat and these are my gardening gloves. What are these, my dear children? These are my gardening gloves. Dear children, this is a spade. This is a spade and we can dig the ground with a spade. See, my dear children, I am digging the ground. I am digging the ground, dear children. So, gardening is real fun. I'm sure you all will love gardening. Dear children, these are called seeds. Can you see, my dear children? These are seeds. We can plant a seed in the soil. See, I am sowing the seeds. I am sowing the seeds. You can also say that you are planting the seeds in the soil. And now, when you water, after a few days, you see, I am watering the soil. After a few days, the seeds will sprout into a sapling. The seeds are going to sprout into a small sapling and the sapling will then gradually grow into a plant like this. So, my dear children, you understand? First of all, the seed and then the small sapling and then it becomes a plant. Just like the flowers, you see. At first, it's just a bud. This is called a bud, okay? The bud blooms into a flower. The bud blooms into a flower. And this part is known as the stem. This part is known as the stem. These are leaves. What are these, my dear children? These are green leaves. And this is called the petal. 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 There are so many pink petals. Isn't it, my dear children? This is a beautiful pink flower. Dear children, this is my watering can. What is this? This is a watering can. See, we should water our plants every day. What am I doing, my dear children? I am watering my plants. Dear children, do remember that plants need water, also the sunlight and the fresh air as well as a good soil to grow. Alright, my dear children? So do remember that you should water the plants every day. These are known as flower pots. What are these, my dear children? These are flower pots. These are flower pots, my dear children. And my dear children, this is a ladder. What is this, my dear children? This is a ladder. I will have to use this ladder because I will be watering my plants and I can't reach my hanging baskets. These are known as hanging baskets. What are these, my dear children? These are hanging baskets. So my dear children, this is a ladder. Alright, and I'm using this ladder to reach my hanging baskets because I will have to water my plants. So my dear children, do remember all the English words that you have learned today in this video lesson. Thank you so much, dear children. Take care. Bye-bye.